Good morning, my dear lovely kids. Dear kids, today we will do the pattern Name the Picture. In this pattern, first of all, we will see the picture, we will identify the picture. After identifying the picture, we will write down its name. Now let us start. See, this is the picture of a bib. Bib is a small piece of cloth which is tied around the child's neck. It's a bib. B-A-B, bib. B-A-B, bib. Now let us write down its name. B-A-B, bib. B is the phonic sound of letter B. B, E, B. B, A, bib. B, A, bib. B, A, bib. Now let us see the next picture. See, dear kids, this is the picture of a rib. This is the picture of a rib cage. Rib, rib. R-A-B, rib. R-A-B, rib. Now let us write down rib. R is the phonic sound of letter R. R, A, B. Rib. R-A-B, rib. R-A-B, rib. Now let us see the next picture. See, dear kids, this is the picture of a nib. Nib is the pointed part of a pen. Nib. This is a nib. Now let us write down its name. N-A-B, nib. N is the phonic sound of letter N. N, I, B, nib. N-A-B, nib. Now my dear kids, it's your turn to do this pattern. Name the picture in your English notebook in good handwriting. Thank you. Have a nice day.